What if you could make as much as around $30,000 per month by starting a simple business that you could do from the comfort of your home using completely free AI tools? In this video, we have got some of the best work-from-home businesses that you can start with AI. Bookmarks business. The first work-from-home business is selling bookmarks. Now again, we're gonna head back to Midjourney and have the AI do all the design work for us for these bookmarks. And if you want the AI to create some stylish bookmark designs for you, just input stylish bookmarks and after just a few seconds the AI will manage to come up with designs. These are very impressive and you can play around with these prompts as much as you want. For instance, you might ask the AI to create bookmarks with birds reading books on them or bookmarks with superhero characters. If you want to get into that realm, the possibilities are truly endless. And then once you've had the AI create a fair amount of designs, you'll simply head over to Photopea and open up a new project, select the tab that says print and then select the A4 option, which is the size of a standard piece of printing paper. And voila! Now you can either print directly from Photopea or export as a PNG and print that way, and then similar to the sticker business from earlier in the video. To actually cut out the bookmarks once you've printed them, you'll want to use some type of electronic cutting machine. You can typically buy these on Amazon for around $100 to $150. Alternatively, you could just use a pair of scissors to cut out the bookmarks manually. In terms of the type of paper, you could either use a slightly thicker textured cardstock paper. This will make your bookmarks feel a lot more premium, or you could just use regular printing paper. Then just use a cheap laminating tool to laminate them. Sticker business. The next business is one that you probably wouldn't even consider to be possible to make money from. And that is selling stickers on Etsy. At this point, you're probably wondering, that's great, but how exactly could I do this for myself? The first thing you'll need to do is actually create the sticker designs, and we're going to do this by using a completely free AI program called Midjourney to do all the design work for us. Midjourney is a text-to-image generator that will convert simple text descriptions into full-blown images. And you are going to use it to create an unlimited number of sticker designs that are completely copyright-free. Now these are just a few examples of sticker designs that the AI can create. All you have to do is typing in different prompts of the types of stickers that you want. Well, now maybe you're thinking to yourself, how do you even know what types of stickers you want the AI to create? For this you are going to use another AI called ChatGPT. All you are going to do is just type into ChatGPT, "Give me descriptive ideas for sticker designs," and as you'll see, ChatGPT will begin writing out a response and giving different ideas. So, you can take something like a dog playing video games, type that into Midjourney, making sure that you add the word sticker into the description, and as you can see, you'll get some pretty incredible results. You can play around with this prompt as much as you want. For example, we could try adding in the word adorable into the prompt, and the sticker designs that the AI will generate will be completely different just based off of that one word. Or we could change the word dog for some other animal like cat, and like instead of playing video games, perhaps the cat is reading a book. It is one thing to come up with sticker designs, but now you actually have to sell them. And there are really two different ways to go about this. The first way is by using some type of print-on-demand company to print and ship the stickers for you. Or if you wanted to retain as much of the profit as possible, you could just print the stickers out yourself at home and ship them yourself. This process is actually a lot easier than you probably think. The only thing that you'll need is a regular printer. You'll also need an electronic cutting machine, and finally some cheap sticker paper. And then in terms of actually shipping these stickers to your customers, we would recommend using some type of rigid mailer. You can actually buy them on Amazon for about 27 cents per mailer, and these will ensure that the stickers don't bend during shipping. Another option for selling these stickers is by using a print-on-demand company, and in both scenarios, whether you're just printing them out yourself or using a print-on-demand website, selling your stickers on Etsy will be the best option. Wedding invitation card business. Let's move on to the next idea. An extremely popular item to sell on sites like Etsy are wedding invitations. What will surprise you is how simple these invitations are to create with AI-driven Midjourney. You just have to ask the AI to create floral wedding invitations for you, and as you can see, the AI creates some remarkable invitations. You can use the upscale feature within Mid-Journey to increase the resolution of any of these images that you want to use. Now you can take these invitations into Photoshop or a free Photoshop alternative called Photopea to edit out this text that the AI generates, because remember, these will be custom invitations, and so the name will change depending on the customer. Within Photopea, you can use the rectangle select tool here to select the randomly generated text, and then use Photopea's Content Aware Fill tool by going up to Edit Fill and then changing the fill drop down to Content Aware and then hitting OK. The software will automatically fill in the text with the color of the background so that you can have a blank select. And then from this point you can just bring this into Canva, where you can then add text boxes and change the text to match the names of the customers accordingly. Because remember, on your Etsy listing for these wedding invitations, you'll have a box like this that allows customers to enter the names that they want on the invitations, and you'll just simply add the names to the invitation in Canva. Export the invitation as a PDF and then print it out, and you would want to print these invitations out using some type of cardstock, such as super cheap 5-cent per page cardstock from Amazon, and then just simply use your printer to print the shipping label and then ship out your invitations to the customer. Custom designed planner business. The last business on our list can easily be $1 million business, and that's selling planners. Getting started with this business is actually really easy, not only because you will be using AI to help you create the planners, but for this particular business you have to run everything through a print-on-demand service. This does mean that you'll have to sacrifice some revenue, but for the amount of time that you'll save, it's worth it. Scrolling through the planners here on Etsy, you can see that all the best-selling planners are using some type of pattern, whether that's a floral pattern, some stripes, or something a little bit more abstract. These types of designs are not complicated to create with AI. You will have to simply give Mid-Journey a prompt that says stripes pattern design, and with that prompt these are the types of patterns it gives. These are perfect, and so all you would do at this point is just take these floral designs and use some type of print-on-demand service to turn your stripes design files into actual planners. And that concludes our journey into the exciting world of AI-powered business ideas. You can easily make money just working from home, and your only source of production will be artificial intelligence, the new wave of 21st century. See you next time with another content. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates. Until then, keep hustling.